igori tukoria rero hara umuroberio bukubwekerwa kigutwa hasaborkiwa kiribu inye na 15 na batatu abo bakorera masomo abo kurwase University ya Kisii
okwana nabaliki maega yogokora umuroberio yo nigogamba atebire buna no mogoko ase aborkiwa 24 abatangani kigima abo babekirwa kigutwa abo basomera obunyagitari nabo igoborari ase University yo
nabuno muri gitopethwel machini akoerera sorobotiro kubwatia muwaziri migosi nigobono hagokeire osagokeire egetambokero ase University gokora umukia na gukora hemiroberio yabo genkyo nonya nemechando yemegiro gekoenekiwa
Omuwaziri w'ekisemi mensi ya Kenya CS Migos Ogamba nigolisikurerero arairo murobero bo kubekero kigutwa aborkiwa hakiri bunya na 15 batatu abo bakorera masomo abo kurasi University ya Kisii ukwana bariki maiga yo gukora murobero yo nigogamba atebire no mogoko asaborkiwa 24 abatangane kema abo babekero kigutwa abo bagosomera obunyagitari no bubari ase University yo.
Highlight of this is that we've graduated the very first cohort of the 24 students who've done medicine and surgery from this university. And the most critical thing is that they did that within the academic period of 6 years, which means this institution is being run in accordance to the mandate and the programs that have been set, and they are doing a good job at what they are doing, both the management and the council. And it therefore shows that even the other universities that are running programs, even with the challenges that we've had with a number of strikes in the sector, still the individual universities can be able to run their programs to ensure that the students complete their studies within the time allocated, and that's what has been demonstrated here.
Waigo migosi nigagokire egetambokero ase University gokoromokia na gukora emirobere yabo kenkyo na nyemechando yemegero gekwenekiwa.
And it therefore shows that even the other universities that are running programs, even with the challenges that we've had with a number of strikes in the sector, still the individual universities can be able to run their programs to ensure that the students complete their studies within the time allocated, and that's what has been demonstrated here. So I just want to encourage each one of us that it is possible to achieve these goals once they are set, and most of our universities have now pulled up their socks and they are doing what is supposed to be done.
Chinga kichicho nigabekire teneni murobero wo kubakana aborokya be University maiga yokubeko kuigwanana.
Remember, we had a 49-day strike that led to us negotiating a settlement of the payment of the 7.7 outstanding amount from the 2017-2021 CBA, and we agreed that that amount would be paid in 2 equal installments. That is 3.8 billion during the financial year 25-26, and the second one the financial year 26-27. The amount of the 25-26 was to be paid by the end of this month, and we are working towards that amount being availed to the universities. It's already been released from Treasury. It's now being released to the universities, which is a good thing.
Asibono Mosque Ogamba abasegetira boriko bonse babekero kiguto kwebwa tabuya ekiraba kuchaka obogema bwabo boya.
Make our homeland Kenya a better place for those yet to come. Henceforth, think of the world as your classroom, offering experiences that will refine your skills and broaden your horizons. Embrace curiosity, challenge assumptions, and seek out knowledge with an open mind. When called upon to serve, do so with diligence, with empathy for those less fortunate, and with love for those around you. Respect your elders, be responsive to your civic duty as citizens, and always keep God as your guide in all that you do. Once again, congratulations and may God bless you all.
Kuputeria Ensoko TV kurasi University ya Kisii Chempethuel Machin.